Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers and all viewers. So today question is very interesting question. Find all triples x, y, z of real positive numbers which satisfy the system 1 over x plus 4 over y plus 9 over z equals to 3 and sum of x and y and z is less than equals to 12. So there are three variables and two equations. So you have to think of a way to solve it. So what I am going to do, first one is given as equality 1 by x plus 4 by y plus 9 over z equals to 3. This is the equation. And second is x plus y plus z is less than equals to 12. This is a inequality. So now multiplying equation and inequality, I'll get 1 by x plus 4 over y plus 9 over z. Application x plus y plus z is less than equals to 36. Multiplying the whole things, first I'll get 1 by x into x1 and 1 by x into y is y by x. 1 by x into z equals to z over x. Multiplying the second term, it will be 4x over y, then 4y into y cancel 4, then 4z over y. Now multiplying with 9 over z, it will be 9x over z plus 9y over z plus 9 is less than equals to 36. So in this step, I'll do two things. One is I'll arrange the terms and I'll take the numerical values to right hand side. So please be attentive. 1 over x, y over x plus 4x over y I am taking together. Next, z over x plus 9x over z I'll take together. Then 4z over y and 9y over z I'll take together less than equals to 36 minus 1 plus 4 5 plus 9 14, so it will be 22, less than equals to 22. Here for each pair of term I'll apply your arithmetic geometric mean concept. Applying arithmetic mean and geometric mean for each pair, y over x plus 4x over y is greater than equals to your 2 times of square root y over x into 4x over y. This gives me y over x plus 4x over y is greater than equals to, it will be 4. This is sub-equation, I am writing A. Now, second pair, z over x plus 9x over z is greater than equals to 2 times arithmetic mean is greater than equals to geometric mean. So this will be z over x into 9x over z. So this gives us z over x plus 9x over z is greater than equals to 6. Next is, third one is this one, 4z over y plus 9y over z is greater than equals to 2 times 4z over y into 9y over z, or this gives me 4z over y plus 9y over z is greater than equals to square root of 36 is 6, it will be 12. We can take, instead of a, b, c, we can take any other values. Now adding all three inequalities, we are getting again here 4x by y plus y by x plus z by x plus 9x by z is 4z by y plus 9y by z is your greater than equals to 4 plus 6 plus 12, that will be 22. So just see this equation 3, we got it is less than equals to 22. Again we are in equation 4, we are getting this greater than equals to 22. So from equation 3 and 4, or inequality 3 and 4, we are getting this is 4x y plus y over x plus z over x plus 9x over z plus 4z over y plus 9y over z. Once it is your greater than equals to 22, again it is less than equals to 22. So it proves that it is equal to 22. So where will be the equalities then? It will be here only. So each of the inequalities will be the equalities. So which means in A, B, C, everywhere equalities holds. What does it mean? 4x plus y equals to y by x, z over x equals to 9x by z, and 4z over y equals to 9y over z. And it is given that x greater than 0, y greater than 0, z greater than 0. So from here we can write y square equals to 4x square. This gives us y equals to twice x. And here z square equals to 9x square. So z equals to 3 times of x. So putting in equation, substituting, equation x plus y plus z equals to 12, we get x plus twice x plus 3 times of x equals to 12. This gives us 6x equals to 12. This gives us x equals to 2. So y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 6. So verifying the equation, 1 by x plus 4 by y plus 9 over z equals to your 1 by 2 plus 4 by 4 plus 9 by 6. This is equal to 1 plus this will be 3 by 2. So 2, this equals to 3. Verify. So the solution of x, y, z is a unique solution here, that will be 2, 4, 6. Solved. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share.